grab the lug nuts so I don't forget them. I'm just gonna put my winter tires on. My truck. Same with Jesse's doing that as well. Get this. Ugh. Should be all there. Yeah. Put all these in my truck. You guys probably saw that I sold my quad. Yeah, sold that thing. Buddy that bought it, he's already reselling it for $3,000 more than I sold it to him for. So I guess that's how it goes though. Whatever. Tease with the tease, man. Okay, well, I'm gonna grab those tires and yeah, we'll be on our way. Freaking done that. Got them loaded up. Got the lug nuts. I think we're ready to go. It's cold. It's cold outside. I don't know where I can put this for like I gotta make like some random stuff. Hey. So I got away from my brother because I said I'd go with him. Yeah, I sold my quad. The time just came, you know, like it's a nice bike, but I need more power, I think. Like, I went riding with like a whole bunch of buddies and stuff, and they all had Can-Ams, but one guy had a brute force and stuff. It's all like built or whatever. Got some stuff done to it, and it's just, you feel like you can't keep up. Like, I don't know how to explain it. It just feels like the Polaris. It's a good bike, like going through the mud slow, but when you want to like rip through the mud, it just don't go. It just don't go like the Can-Ams go. And apparently once you start pushing power to them, they just break. So I don't really want to do anything more than I did to it, and it was a good quad for what it was, and it's time to move on, you know. Like, it's just, it is what it is. So in the spring I'll definitely be getting something, but I'll be saving for something else right now, so see how that goes. And see you guys when I get to my grandparents' house, and we'll record me switching my tires. It's not anything crazy or anything, but we'll do that. Hooking up the sled. Oh, this thing's all spinny. Oh, there we go. Buddy's scooping it. Turn this thing like this.
Yo, I bet you're fucking excited though.
Oh, Timmons is supposed to get like a foot of snow, man.
That'll be fucking fun, I know it.
Oh, yeah. Guy's a beauty. Oh fuck, should be good. Buddy's like, I don't know if you guys heard that, but Buddy's like, oh, what are you gonna do with that thing? Like, drive it in the snow. Okay, anyways, so we got the sled back. It's been 2 weeks now, so got Buddy to load it because that ramp's all fucked there. See what happened.